Repetition, of course, adds gravity to the submissions.
Lord, there's a galaxy on the other side. Perhaps I can be of assistance as well.
ठीक है, we'll let you argue. Let him make his submissions.
Oh, Lord.
जी.
My lord, if your lordships and ladyship may kindly see civil appeal number 333 of 2024. And if kindly page 218 may be looked at. This is the leave granting order, my lord. If your lordships and ladyship have it, I'll read, my lords. May I, my lords? This is 6/5/2024. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that allocation of the reserve seats for women and non-Muslims to the political parties other than the petitioner Sunni Ittihad Council is in violation of Article 51(6)(d) and E of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, which provides for proportionate representation system on the basis of total number of general seats secured by each political party from the province concerned in the National Assembly. Once a political party has been allocated the reserved seats on the basis of proportionate representation system, the remaining seats cannot be reallocated to the same party. As per letter issued by the Election Commission of Pakistan dated 25/4/2024, he submits that it has been acknowledged that SIC is a parliamentary party having 82 general seats in the National Assembly. Therefore, SIC is entitled to reserve seats as per the proportionate representation system in terms of Article 51(6)(d) and E and 106(2)(c) of the Constitution. On the other hand, Mr. Sikandar Bashir Mohammed, Learned Counsel for the Election Commission of Pakistan, submits that according to Article 51 and 106 of the Constitution, the reserved seats have to be allocated on the proportionate representation system only those political parties who have contested the general election and won at least one seat in the said elections. Since SIC did not contest the elections and did not win even a single seat in the general election, it cannot be considered as a political party in terms of Article 51(6)(d) and E and 106(2)(c of the Constitution for the purpose of allocating the reserved seats. Learned Attorney General for Pakistan supports the contention of the Learned Counsel for the ECP. Both the Learned Counsel for ACP and the Learned AGP frankly concede that this is a case of first impression involving questions of constitutional law that have not been addressed by the court earlier. The above questions of allocation of reserved seats in the National and Provincial Assembly touch upon the foundational constitutional concept of a parliamentary democracy, that the voice of the electorate is truly reflected in the composition of the assemblies. Democratic mandate necessitates that the allocation of reserved seats enhances the representativeness of the electorate in the assembly and upholds the principles of fairness and transparency in the electoral process. It is paramount to prioritize the integrity of the election so that Parliament remains a true reflection of the will of the people. Therefore, leave to appeal is granted to consider, among others, the said questions. These appeals are to be posited for hearing. Yes. My lord,
who are the respondents?
Sir.
Tell us who the beneficiaries are.
Yes. So, my lord, there are two kinds of respondents. One are the political parties.
First, tell us the beneficiary respondents.
The beneficiaries. If your lordship may see respondent number 2, 3.
No, 2 is beneficiary to what extent?
The additional seats have been allocated to them.
1 seat, 2 seat, how many?
Okay. Sir, if your lordship may then see ये I filed a CMA 5208 of 2024,
Yes.
page 2 of that CMA.
जी.
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल को मखसूस नशिस्तें न देने से मुतालिक केस की समाअत इस वक्त बराह रास्त जारी है। चीफ जस्टिस काजी फायसीसा की सरबराही में 13 रुकनी फुल कोर्ट समाअत करा है। फुल बेंच में जस्टिस सैयद मंसूर अली शाह, जस्टिस मुनीब अख्तर और दीगर शामिल हैं।
National and prevention.
Can you break them down?
Yes. National Assembly is 22.
NA. G. And provincial. Break down the provincial.
Provincial would be 55 there.
Break them down.
Yes.
So 22 में फिर women and the non-Muslim.
Yes.
वो
Yes.
किस तरह?
Yes.
वो break down कर दें सबका.
कर देना बता.
Have you shown some breakdown somewhere?
No, I've not shown, but I can give your lordship.
Yes, please do so.
जी. So. वो देना सर. Book I've attached all the notifications.
Just number बता देना.
जी जी वही मैं आपको मैं सिर्फ document.
Don't make us work so hard.
No.
We'll read them. Don't worry.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर. सर
Unless the other side contradicts, you will accept your statement.
नहीं. I'm very grateful, sir. Your lordship has always been very gracious. Sir, as far as
आप ये कुलीग कर सकते हैं ये काम अगर उनको पता है.
नहीं सर मैं
अच्छा. Women is how many national assembly?
Sir, National Assembly women from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is 8.
8.
From Punjab, it is 11. This is National Assembly, sir.
Sindh.
And Sindh from National Assembly for women is 1.
Baluchistan.
Baluchistan में कोई dispute नहीं because we had no presence in the parliamentary.
Islamabad Capital Territory.
नहीं वहाँ तो assembly वहाँ तो reserve seats का है
चलिए,
नहीं. So
okay,
the dispute only relates to 3 provincial assemblies.
No, women now come to
Yes, non-Muslims.
Non-Muslims.
Yes.
नहीं ये non-Muslim 2 है, ये 20 हुई ना ये तो ladies की जो आप.
नहीं ये मैंने आपको reserve seats.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल को मखसूस नशिस्तें न मिलने के खिलाफ केस की बराह रास्त समाअत इस वक्त जारी है। चीफ जस्टिस पाकिस्तान काजी फायसीसा की सरबराही में 13 जजेस पर मुश्तमिल फुल कोर्ट मखसूस नशिस्तों से मुतालिक केस की समाअत कर रहा है।
ये फिगर आपका करेक्ट नहीं है.
मेरे ख्याल में 19 है इफ अगर आप देख लीजिए.
19 है
जी ये 19 है सर.
ये तो 20 हुई ना.
नहीं ये 19 है जो मैंने आपको लिखवाया.
एक आपने ज्यादा बता दी. कौन सा ज्यादा बता दिया आपने?
केपी की 8 बोली हैं, पंजाब 11.
19 और 1 सिंध बोली आपने. 20 हो गई.
नहीं एक सिंध है ना.
20 हो गई ना ये.
जी सर ये मैं नोटिफिकेशन से बता रहा हूँ. ठीक है
चले तो
जी.
चले आगे बढ़ते
वो
हैं. Non-Muslim दो कौन सा?
असल में इलेक्शन कमीशन में भी कुछ गलतियां की हैं. कहीं 22 दिखाई हैं.
फिगर आप
जी मैं इसलिए दोनों डॉक्यूमेंट्स मौजूद है. मैं अब आ गया हूँ
नॉन मुस्लिम्स तो पूरे पाकिस्तान का होता है ना.
जी
तो
बोलिए.
वो तो खैर ठीक है. दो ये
जी,
दो
नेशनल